Hello friends, welcome to the class of Cost and Works Accounting. So in this particular video you will see that we are going to solve problem number 9 on cost sheet. Okay, so this is the disclaimer statement of this particular video. So cost sheet format, we are going to use this particular format at the time of solving the cost sheet problem. Okay, so this is the problem number 9 of 2018 October regular examination of Sybcom Savitribai Phule Pune University. So here is the problem. Okay, so first we need to see in whose books of accounts we are going to write. So here it is mentioned Tata Limited Pune. Okay, so now we will classify these particular items as per our cost sheet format. First, opening stock of raw material I, then closing stock of raw material A, direct wages B, indirect wages E, sales N, opening work in progress E, closing work in progress E, purchases of raw material A, factory rent and rates and power E, depreciation on plant E, expenses on purchases A, carriage outward K, advertising again K, office rent and taxes G, salesman's salary and commission K, opening stock of finished goods EI, closing stock of finished goods I, and gift, because of non-cost item we will not consider. Okay, so let us start solving the problem. So I'll just increase this little bit. Okay, now first we need to write in whose books of account we are solving this particular problem. So it is Tata Limited Pune. Okay, so first, as per our format, we need to write direct material. So in that, opening stock of raw material, which is mentioned over here, that is 75,000. In that, we need to add purchases of raw material 66,000. Again, we need to add the expenses on purchases. Here it is 1500. Okay, so just add it 1500, do the total, it is 1,42,500, and from that you need to minus the closing stock, so it is 91,500. The total will be 51,000. So this is our direct material consumed. Next, direct wages or direct labor. Directly figure is given, so it is 52,500. Next, that is direct expenses. So this amount they have not given, so we'll put dash. Okay, so just do the total of this, and this will be the 1,03,500. This is our prime cost. Okay, so we added A, B and C items, and then we got D item, that is prime cost. Okay, next item is we need to add factory overheads. Okay, so you just have to check what are the E, where we have put E. So first is the indirect wages. So amount is 2750. Next, it is factory rent, rates and taxes, 15,000. Next, depreciation on plant. So it is 3,500. Now E item is not there. Okay, so let us just do the total. Okay, the total will be 21,250. So here adjustment is there. We need to add the work in progress and we need to minus the closing stock of work in progress. So add opening and less closing stock. So figures are already there. So just put the figures, and here you need to add the opening stock and less the closing stock. Okay, so amount you'll get 14,250. So this is our factory overheads. Just do the total, and this will be 1,17,750. This is our factory cost or works cost. Okay, now we need to add the administration expenditure. So here we need to see the G item. So it is office rent and taxes. So office rent and taxes, what is the amount? It is 2,500. Put the amount in outer column and just do the total. Okay, so this will be 1,20,250. Okay, so this is our cost of production. So again we need to do the adjustment on account of closing stock of finished goods, opening and closing stock of finished goods. So we need to add the opening stock of finished goods and less the closing stock of finished goods. Just put the figure in inner column, and then you need to do the calculation. You just minus the 31,000 from 54,000 and amount will be there, and then you need to add this total. Okay, it is 1,43,250. So this is our cost of goods sold. Okay, now we need to add the selling and distribution expenditure. So we need to see the K items. Okay, so first K item is carriage outward. Okay, so carriage outward is 2,500. Next is advertising. Advertising is 3,500. And the last item is salesman's salary, that is 6,500. So total is 12,500. Just do the total and you will get the amount 1,55,750. This is our cost of sales. Now we already know the sales figure, which is mentioned 2,11,000. Okay, and now we need to find out the profit. For profit, you just need to minus the cost of sales from sales. So if you do the calculation, then you'll get the profit. So that is 55,250. Okay, so this is our problem number 9. Okay, I'll just adjust the screen. So again, this is a disclaimer statement of this particular video. Thank you very much.